Look at those little ducks.
Well, what do you know? It's a brood of Mallard ducklings, out for a stroll with their mum. She's the big one, with the brown feathers and the orange beak at the front. Let's see where they're going.
Ducks love water.
Mallards love all kinds of wetlands. Lakes, marshes, ponds, you name it. They also make a very distinctive sound.
She's calling to her ducklings. What's she doing now?
Well, the ducklings aren't waterproof yet, so she's covering them in her own protective oil.
So it's safe for them to swim?
Yep, and to keep them warm. She's a very devoted mum. Right, best get on with cleaning this boat.
I can help. Benji, Mummy Duck's just flown away, and she's left the ducklings behind.
What? Don't worry, shipmate. She's doing a very important job. She's leading the other duck away from her ducklings to keep them safe.